Introducing the Marley Curve leaf diverter, an incredibly simple and stylish way to remove leaves from your rainwater system, providing you with better quality water for your tanks or helping reduce contaminants going into your stormwater system. It's easy to install and I'm going to show you how. Firstly, let's see what's in the box. We've got the curve components, filter screen, a couple of brackets and this all-important template. You'll need to supply the screws to suit your home's cladding. Firstly, take the template and stick it on the downpipe where you want the curve to go. It's a good idea for it to be high, but accessible for maintenance. And of course, if you're on tank water, it needs to be above the tank inlet point. The saddle clip comes with your Marley Curve, but for weatherboards, I prefer to use Marley's adjustable clip. We recommend having your clips around 200mm above and below your curve to make it nice and secure. Now we're ready to cut. You need a fine-tooth saw and cut along the dotted lines. To put it into place, remove the top section and put it up the downpipe. Make sure that the screen is in place with the tab proud and you're going to place it onto the bottom of the downpipe and then click it in. Easy as that and no glue required. Water will drain through this unique filter screen and leaves and debris will fall out here. I'm going to show you how effective it is with a little bit of slow-mo. With little waste, cleaner water goes into your tank, giving you better water quality. And less debris in your stormwater system reduces the chance of blockages and overflow. And as for maintenance, simply lift up the top section, remove the screen, and give it a clean. It couldn't be easier, the very clever, very sleek Marley Curve leaf diverter. It's designed to fit in Marley's RP80 downpipes. Adapters are available to fit in other Marley downpipes too. The Curve comes in a choice of colours to match the Marley Stratus Design Series range. Also check out the Marley Twist and Tank It. Urban rain harvesting made easy.